Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel RGL Innovations. This video is all about how to design and renovate my main floor washroom. Installed marble tiles from floor to wall. Installed decorative 12 inches by 4 1/4 inches wall tiles around the bathroom. This is an LED light above the sink. And this is the LED chandelier in the ceiling. And this is the LED waterproof above the standing shower. Installed corner round standing shower with a sliding door. There's a floor drain cover. This is the rain shower head. Install exhaust fan on the wall. Install the decorative plastic molding around the standing shower. Installed one-piece toilet bowl with 2 flush buttons for a water saver. The toilet seat is designed for kids' safety. It won't slam down when you lift up. The toilet seat cover will not slam down as well. Installed towel rack above the toilet bowl. Installed toilet tissue holder. Installed air vent in the wall. Installed conical type sink with hand-free faucet and push button drain plug. Install round wall mirror and medicine cabinet above the sink. Install the bathroom speaker for music, wall switch, wall cover thermostat, and wall hair dryer. Install GFIC outlet, hand towel rack, installed mirror, sliding door for the cabinet, installed decorative wood molding for the cabinet. Built display cabinet besides standing shower. Installed 3D mirror illusions. Install the GFI for water fountain. On the bottom there is a display cabinet as well. This is the mirror illusions. Installed LED wall clock. install ceiling tiles, and it is removable. And this is my suspended ceiling tiles. This is my completed design and renovated bathroom on the main floor. I hope you enjoyed watching and you liked this video. Please subscribe and share. See you next time.